Alright, let's dive into the heart of Southeast Asia, Indonesia. This country is a patchwork of over 17,000 islands. And trust me, it packs a punch with its natural wonders and vibrant culture. Here are the 10 most wonderful and visited places that'll make you want to book a flight like yesterday. First up, Bali. Lush rice terraces, dreamy beaches, temples that look straight out of a fantasy movie. Surfing and Kuta Zening out in Ubud, Bali is the ultimate paradise. Number 2, Borobudur. Ancient Buddhist temple in central Java, largest in the world. Sunrise here? Pure magic. The mist, the stupas, the chanting monks. It's a spiritual experience you'll never forget. Third, Komodo National Park. Komodo dragons, real-life dragons, top diving spots. Pink beaches, turquoise waters, wild adventures await. Fourth, Raja Ampat. Snorkeling, scuba diving, coral reefs, bursting with life, jaw-dropping above-water scenery. Fifth, Yogyakarta. Soul of Javanese culture, explore ancient temples, try batik art, feast on street food. Sixth, Mount Bromo. Night hike to an active volcano, sunrise over the smoking crater. Worth it. Seventh, Gili Islands. White sand, crystal clear water bikes and horse carts, chilling out or partying under the stars. Eighth, Lake Toba. Island bigger than Singapore, waterfalls, hot springs, Batak culture. Ninth, Ubud Monkey Forest. Ancient jungle temples, cheeky monkeys swinging overhead. It's wild, literally, but keep an eye on your snacks. And finally, Jakarta. Skyscrapers, street food, shopping malls. It's chaotic, colorful, and totally unforgettable. Indonesia is more than a destination. It's an adventure waiting to happen. Which spot are you exploring first? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more travel inspiration.